Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. I want to add a really cool vehicle that we've got. This is one of our 28 passenger Chevy 5500s that we've got. This is a really neat piece of equipment. It's got a lot of different uses that you could use it for. Again, it's a 2006 C5500 28 passenger bus, excuse me. It's a really cool piece of equipment. I'm going to let Hector kind of go around it as we go. It's got 9 emergency exits on this vehicle. It is straight, fully serviced, and ready to go to work. It is a TranStar package that comes with this. That's the manufacturer of this unit. It is in really, really good shape. Our boys down at Chuck South, our fleet repair center, did a really good job going through it and getting it ready at the point of sale and everything. I'm going to let Hector walk on the inside, show it off a little bit, and we'll finish up. Now this vehicle can be used for churches, transporting kids, daycare. There's a lot of things that this thing can do. It's got a rear AC system that keeps it ice cold in here in the summertime. Heck, just go ahead and just walk all the way back there and be fine. Now, these vehicles are all gone through at our fleet repair center again, and we do the best job that we can to make sure that we're putting the best stuff in the street. Our boys at Truck South do a really good job for us down there, getting everything serviced and ready for point of sale and everything. And we feel we do a really good job on everything that we put out there, because we know that this is going to be handling, children, elderly people. So we really pay attention to safety when we're servicing these things. We go through them from top to bottom. We check the emergency exits, we check all the windows, every light is on here is checked. We check the tires. They have 19.5 tires on them. We put Samson 19.5s on it. They're brand new. It is gone through, ready to go to work. If you're looking for a really nice bus, this is the one. They're all from down south. They're rust-free, really good equipment. If you've got any questions, please call us at 919-661-2886. Visit us on our website at josephmotorsnc.com. You can ask for Hector Milgar or me, Nick Watson. We'll be happy to help you with any questions that you might have, or more pictures, more videos, anything you need. We're here to help. We're A+ rated for over 19 years with the Better Business Bureau. We have a 5-star Google rating. We'd love to see you here in Raleigh, NC. We sell the best trucks, equipment, commercial vehicles, anything in the country. We have nationwide shipping available too. Please just give us a chance. Look us up on Google, see who you're doing business with. Come see what a truck is supposed to be. A bus of this size. This thing is just in a phenomenal shape for a 2006. We're really proud of how it come out, and we'd love to see you. Please give us a call, 919-661-2886. This is Nick Watson, Joseph Motors. Have a great day.